I Am God, Lucifer, Death 25/7, Kenneth Fernandez Lamog Pilipino, Dakilang Abnay of Russia, 33336 Rasians, Pinoy of Philippines. Tapos na ang global power, global blackout. Sumimbolize ni Lucifer, morning first beam of United States of America, 71, 78, 6, 29, 9, 20, minus 7. Yung global power, global blackout namin ni Zeus, Baal ng Greece, is symbolize ng Lucifer, morning first beam, morning star. Yung global blackout, global power, buong mundo yon, worldwide. Umabot mula Pilipinas hanggang dulo ng mundo, hanggang NASA. Bible, Mark of the Beast, Biblia. Magpamarka na kayo ng Mark of the Beast on your right arm or on your forehead. Pag wala kayong Mark of the Beast on your right arm or on your forehead, no one can buy or sell without the Mark of the Beast. Explain ko sa inyo yung global power, global blackout namin ni Zeus, Baal, Greece, mula Pilipinas hanggang dulo ng mundo, hanggang NASA, sa space kalawakan. Bible, Mark of the Beast, Biblia. I am Messiah. Okay. I am God, Lucifer, Death 25/7, Kenneth Fernandez Lamog Pilipino, Dakilang Abnay of Russia, 33336 Rasians, Pinoy of Philippines. I-grab ko na rin itong opportunity ko na ito. Shout out Soviet Union, USSR, Army Communist, System of a Down, Spiders, Ang Abot Fraternity, Avenged Sevenfold, Bat Mga Paniki, 21 Pilots, Gregorian, Batord, United Kingdom, Freemason, Illuminati, Blue World Order, New World Order, Latino World Order, Fraternal Order of Police, Fraternal Order of Eagles, Red World Order. At shout out din sa Gods of Eden, One World Government, kay Lord Shiva the Tiger of Thailand, ang mabangis na tigre ng norte of Unitim, BBM Sara, Buddha, Poseidon, Rain, Maple and Dry, Kraken, Sweden, at kay Taylor Swift, Abamax, Marian Rivera, JC Mendiola, Christine Santamena, Bianquet, Natalie Taylor, Gal Oros, Justin Bieber, Michael Jackson, King of Pop, dalawang beses ko to ibabatiin. Shout out One World Government at Octagon at Luciferians, Ukraine, Japan, Luciferians. I am God, Lucifer, Death 25/7, Kenneth Fernandez Lamog Pilipino, Dakilang Abnoy of Russia, 33336 Sarasians, Pinoy of Philippines. Sa lahat ng nasasakupan ko, shout out sa inyo. Shout out din kay President of Russia Vladimir Putin, President of America Donald Trump, at President of United States of America Joe Biden, at Prime Minister Boris Johnson ng Britain, at President Xi Jinping of China, at President of Philippines Bongbong Marcos, at Vice President of Philippines Sara Duterte, at ex-President of Philippines Rodrigo Roa Duterte, at shout out din lalong-lalo na kay King Charles of Britain. Shout out sa iyo, King Charles of Britain, at sa Royal Family of Britain. Grab ko na lang din tong opportunity ko na to. At saka Vikings, sa Gregorian, Norwegian Baron, Chinese Remnant, White Army, Philippine Army, Soviet Union, USSR, Army Communist, China PLA Army, at shout out na rin Kalibo Aklan, near Boracay Islands in Philippines, at Boracay Islands in Philippines, in Visayas, in Philippines. At okay, yan lang. Ulitin ko, explain ko lang sa inyo para maliwanagan kayong lahat. Ang global power namin ni Zeus, Baal, o global blackout, buong mundo symbolize ni Lucifer, morning star, morning first beam of United States of America. Mula Pilipinas, hanggang dulo ng mundo, hanggang NASA. Kaya, napaka very important, magpamarka na kayo ng mark of the beast on your right arm or on your forehead. Pag wala kayong mark of the beast on your right arm or on your forehead, no one can buy or sell without the mark of the beast. Last na, ang global blackout o global power namin ni Zeus, Baal, Greece, Gods of Eden is global, buong mundo, mula Pilipinas hanggang dulo ng mundo, hanggang NASA. Kaya magpamarka na kayo. Okay, yun lang. I am God, Lucifer, Death 25/7, Misaya, Kenneth Fernandez, Lamog, Pilipino, Dakilang Abnoy of Russia, 33336, Rasians, Pinoy of Philippines. Salute.